beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I'm super excited because if you, oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh, look at that. Look, listen. See how heavy it is? I got this next day air because I was so excited to get the new catalog items. So let me go ahead and show you what all is in here. Oh, stamp sets, stamp sets. Getting all the stamp sets out. I'll go ahead and move this so you guys could see a little bit better maybe. But let's see here. There we go. All right, I'm gonna save the stamp sets because, oh my gosh, I've got so much. First thing I got are these large bags. And what I'm gonna be doing, I'm doing a paper share. And so we're going to be putting all the 6x6 paper in here. And so this is the 6x6. And what you're going to get, for those of you who purchased the paper share, you're going to get like almost, I think, over 170 6x6 pieces of paper. So I think I have a few left. So if you wanted to grab some, I'll put the link down below. But this one is the 2019-2021 in color designer series paper, and I can do a video just on that alone if you'd like. So I ended up getting 4 of those, and then what else do I have? Then I went through and I got all the different. Same thing. This is the Regals set. So I grabbed the Regals. So if you know your colors in the Stampin' Up! Products, you'll know which ones those are, or you can wait to see my video there. And then these are the Brights collection. What do we have here? This one is the this is the 2018-2020 in color. So the paper share that we're doing, you get every single piece of designer series paper that we have. So, and then this one was some more of the Regals there. Tons of paper. Look at the checks there. We've got some neutrals. We've got some subtles. Really, I cannot wait. We're going to have so much fun with all of this. This is some more of that. So I'm trying to get the papers out of the way. So I have Denise here with me. Say hi, Denise.
Hi.
She's taking inventory because it's so much today. So we've got this one here. Look how pretty. I definitely, once I get these cut into 6x6s, I'll show you all of them because they're so pretty up close and not just in a book. So this is the Magnolia Lane designer series paper. Sorry, that's going to make a little bit of a noise. This one here is the Garden Lane. Isn't that pretty? This one you have seen already because I bought this right away. This is the Come Sail Away. You guys, I've got word that some of the stuff is already in danger of going on back order. In fact, I tried to order some ribbon yesterday, the pink striped ribbon, and it's not available until the 24th already. So you guys are buying quickly. So if you see something you want, don't delay. This is the Dino Roar. Is that cute? I think it's super, super cute. This is another one of my favorites. I couldn't wait for this one. And it is called See a Silhouette. Look how beautiful and bright that is. I'm going to have so much fun with that. I also have this one, so you may have seen this one already, called Follow Your Art. You see all the little brushes and stuff there. We've got this one. This is called Bird Ballad. And you can hear Trent in the background. I told him to put on some headphones because he's playing a video game, but I don't think he realizes that I can hear him. So, I was going to say pretty and beautiful. Beautiful is this one. That is so pretty. Again, that's the Bird Ballad. So much paper. So much fun. What's this one? Oh, this is the Noble Peacock. And you can't see it because it is, I'll show it to you when I open it. It's amazing. And then this one here, we've got the Mosaic Woods is what this is called. You see it all in the Mosaic Mood. Sorry. This one, now if you paid me $100, I couldn't tell you what the name of this one is until I look. I knew basically all the other ones, but let's check. Pressed Petals. Super pretty. And you guys, remember this because I'm going to show you something else that I got. And I was a little afraid that the other thing I'm going to show you, I was almost afraid it was going to sell out. This is called the Perennial Essence. And what's this one? We got two more. Oh, this is really pretty too. This is Noble Peacock. So
the other one's the foil.
Oh, okay. The other one is the Noble Peacock foil, and then this is this one here. So pretty. I don't know if you can see. You can't. When I do, we're gonna get these all cut into 6x6s, get them all bagged up, and then I'll show you my bag because I participate in my own paper share as well. And this is called Woven Threads. That's really pretty. That's all the paper. I also got some, as a demonstrator, I got the, what is this? It's called Experience Creativity. It's just a little brochure. So I like to have those when I meet people. And I'm going to pull all this stuff out of the box and move the box out of the way so we can really... I went punch crazy, it looks like. Oh, there it is. There's the little guy. Okay. Okie dokie, guys. We've got all of this fun stuff. Now it's time to see. I'm going to move this a little bit back now. We have the Noble Peacock Rhinestones. You guys, to see it in person is so different. I mean, even seeing it on camera is different than seeing it at a book. But then seeing it in person, amazing. I have a couple of punches. This is the 1/2-inch punch, the 1-inch punch, and those are both circles. I got the markers for the new in colors, so I'm excited about that. Okay, here we go. Remember I told you about the pressed petals? I ended up buying 2 of these. It's the Pressed Petals washi tape. Ooh, you guys, these, I'm going to open it. I'm going to open one. It comes with 2 rolls of washi. And then, let me show you. I haven't seen them. I haven't seen them in real life. I haven't seen them used. I just love the idea of it. It comes with 2 rolls of washi. This is one, which looks kind of like, I don't know, it looks kind of like a ruler or mathy kind of something. And then let's see how we open this one. Okay, I'll tell you what is going to be the hardest part is this part here, finding the edge. And look at this. This is it, you guys. They are little petals. They're little washi petals. How cute is that? And you just take them off piece by piece, and you can build your own flower. So.
Oh, that is cute.
Isn't that cute?
That's so fun.
Look. I'm so loving this. So, okay. That was that. I bought 2 of them because I knew that I was going to love that right away.
Is the whole thing sticky on that or just the base of the petal?
The whole thing.
Nice.
Yeah. So, but if you didn't want it to be, you could put paper other than the sticky parts.
You wanted it 3D or whatever.
Yep. Oh, they look real. They look so real. Okay. I told you I went a little punch crazy. I also got the 1.5 circle. This is a returning. This is the leaf punch. And along with the leaf, I got the sprig. Yep, the sprig punch. I picked up some more burlap ribbon. You guys know I love burlap. And then here it is. Look at how cute it is. I'm super excited for the little teeny daisy punch. It's so tiny. And this is, along with the Daisy Lane stamp set, this is going to be my featured stamp set for this month's live calling class. Okay, it's time. It's time, it's time. Here are my stamp sets. I got, because I wanted to save the 10%, I bought both together. I bought the Stampin' Cut and Emboss detailed peacock dies. And then the Royal Peacock stamp set, you guys. Look at that. How cute is this? Can I tell you, like, we're looking out the door, like, here's the UPS truck. I run out, I'm like, oh my gosh. He goes, here you go. And I said, only 1 box? He said, yeah. I said, oh, I have another one coming. He said, well, that one was ground, shipped ground, so it's further back in the back of the truck. So you guys, there's going to be another unboxing. And I may or may not have woken up at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. And
more.
Huh?
To order more.
To order more. I placed another order. So the thing I love about placing my orders, you guys, look at these 4 stamp sets. These are the Hostess sets. Because I ordered so much, I was able to do my own Hostess party. And so I ended up getting 1 of each of the Hostess sets so that I could show you. This one is called New Wonders, and it's the distinctive. It's got that little girl. She's so cute. This one is called Believe You Can. This has 14 stamps in it. Look at that. That's so pretty. And it goes with the die that is shaped like this, the nesting dies. And then it also has this blank spot here that you can put these right in there. And then how much fun are we going to have with the blend markers? So the Stampin' blends are going to be so pretty with that. This one, I love it because it's called Time for Tags. And you see this stamp, there's also a tag label punch that is the exact same shape. So we'll be able to stamp and punch these out as well. And then this one is so pretty. This one's called Soft Spring. And this is a 2-step stamping. So you'll be able to stamp the outline there. And then take this and stamp along here to give it some color. Take this one and stamp along here to give the leaves some color. Same with these hanging down. And it's just, I don't know, I think it's really pretty. And then there's that little dragonfly again. He's so cute. So you guys, that's my Stampin' Up! Order. I had to get it so I could show you guys like right away. I hope you like it. I'll put all the information down below if you want to order some of your own, or if you wanted to get your own part of the paper share. I think I have about 3 or 4 spots left. So you'll want to go pretty quickly, and these are going to be going out here later today. So I hope you guys have a great day. Please give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys like what you saw in here, and I will talk to you later. Bye.